everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get a ladder crate in Grow a Garden 2. Like if you want to reach tall plants more easily, a ladder can be very useful to get one. And to get one, you will first need to visit the prop shops. These shops, the pink one, and then just talk to the NPC. And then in here you can just buy the ladder crate. It costs 30,000 cycles like this, and then next just purchase it, and then just go back to your garden, and then after that just take your like this, just take your crate and then just open it and you will get the random ladder. In here I got the dark oak ladder, and to use it first just tap on the build items and then just tap on build, and then in here you can see your ladder or your prop inventory on here. Just click on it and then next just place your props on the place that you want. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.